Today I'm going to show you a couple of ways to get into pigeon pose or Kapotasana. This pose is a very deep back bend. It requires a lot of flexibility in the shoulders and the hip flexors. I have found for myself the easiest way to get into it is to start in hero or reclined hero. From here, you bring your hands back like you're going to get into wheel. You push yourself up, lift up the hips. Look back behind you towards your hands and walk your hands as close to your feet as you can, lifting your chest at the same time. From there, I'll bring my head to the floor to make it easier to take one hand back to grab the foot, wrap the elbow in front of my face, reach back, grab the other foot, wrap that elbow forward, push the forearms and knees down. Core stays engaged to protect the lower back so that the spine is in a full extension, not just in the lumbar spine, but everywhere else. And there you are. To come out of it, you bring your hands back to the floor, push yourself up, tuck your chin, lower yourself down gently. And from there, you can push back up into regular hero. Or if your hips are pretty flexible, you can slide your feet out from underneath you and take a rest. The next way I'm going to show you to get into Kapotasana is going from wheel, and this is a little bit trickier, a little more advanced. Come up into wheel, bend one knee, tuck the foot back behind you, bend the opposite knee to lower the shin to the floor, and then do the same with the other leg. And then you walk your hands back towards your feet, grab onto the feet, bring your head to the floor, wrap your elbows around in front of you, and there you are.